superstars. It is time for math. We are on lesson 8-5 using the minus sign. You've already learned how to act out number stories about separating a part from a group. Today, you will learn how to use a math sign to show the separation of a part from a group. So when we take away objects from a group, you subtract. Look over here. Now, this right here is a minus sign. A minus sign. 6 minus 4 means subtract. 6 minus 4. Can you say that with me? 6 minus 4. Let's look at our worksheet here and let's look at our first problem. All right, let's say there are 5 parrots in a tree and 2 parrots fly away. How can we use the minus sign to show what happened? If we have 5 parrots, let's write them down as counters. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 parrots. There's 5 in all. So if we take away 2 counters to show that 2 parrots flew away, let's take away 2. 1, 2. 2 parrots flew away. 2 parrots or 2 counters were subtracted. So down here we had 5 parrots, right? 2 were subtracted, so we use the subtraction sign or the minus sign. So 5 minus 2 is going to show us what happened. So how many parrots are left? 1, 2, 3. So we write down 3. Right? So 3 parrots are left. Okay. Let's do another problem with a different color. Let's say we have 6 owls. So let's draw some counters to show 6 owls. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So down here, we are going to write the number 6. 1 owl flies away. So we are going to remove 1 counter. So we are going to draw a 1. And when 1 flew away, that means we subtract it from 6. Subtract it, so we use the minus sign. How many owls are left? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 owls are left. So 6 minus 1 is going to tell us how many owls are left. We subtract 1 from 6. All right, let's erase these counters or remove them if you have counters. And let's go on to another problem. Okay. Now we have 7 pelicans and they're on the lake. 7 pelicans. Let's draw 7 counters. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Let's write 7. 7 pelicans are on the lake and 4 pelicans swim away. So we are going to subtract how many? 4. And And over here, we'll remove 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. How many pelicans are there now? 1, 2, 3. So 3 pelicans are left. All right, let's do one more. All right, now there are 5 hawks. Let's write down 5 over here, and let's draw 5 counters. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We have 5 hawks. 3 hawks leave. So we're going to put 3 leave. So that means we subtract. We put our minus sign. 5 minus 3. 3 leave. So we're going to take 3 counters. 1, 2, 3. How many are left? 1, 2. 2 are left. So 5 minus 3 is 2. All right, let's turn our page over. All right, let's look at our first box here. What kind of birds do you see in this picture? It looks like parrots. How many parrots are there in all? Let's count them. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. There's 5 parrots in all. Let's look at our next box over here. So what could we use to show a story about the parrots? We can use counters. How many counters would we start with? If there's 5 parrots, we're going to use 5 counters, right? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Let's look at our third box. So how could you show that 2 of the parrots flew away? We could move 2 counters away from the group. So these 2 counters are moved away from the group. Let's look at our last box here. When we take away some from a group, we subtract. So what does 5 take away 2 tell about the parrots? That there are 5 parrots in all, then 2 parrots go away. So instead of the words take away, what sign can we use? The minus sign. So let's read this sentence together. 5 minus 2. After we subtract 2, how many parrots are left? So if we look over here, we had 5 parrots. We took away 2. We subtracted 2. How many are left? 3. 3 parrots are left. Okay, let's move our paper and let's look at our first problem here. All right, looks like we have 4 peacocks. So we're over here on number 1. 4 peacocks. So let's write the number 4. 4. And we have 2 that go away. So let's trace these X's that show 2 going away. Over here, we're going to trace the 2 because they're going away. If we remove 2, that means we subtract. So we use the minus sign. 4 minus 2 leaves us with how many peacocks? 2. 1, 2. All right, let's look at number 2. We have 8 ducks or swans. So let's trace the number 8. And it looks like 3 go away. There's X's over 3 of them. So let's trace the X's to show that 3 of these swans go away. So we are going to subtract. We're using the minus sign. If we have 8 swans and 3 go away, how many do we have left? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So 8 minus 3 is 5. Let's look at number 3. We have eagles. Let's count how many we have. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 eagles. Remember to mark as you're counting. Make sure you're touching as you're counting so you keep track of how many there are. 6 eagles. It looks like 2 flew away. So we trace the X's to show that 2 went away, and we are subtracting. So we use the minus sign. 6 minus 2 is, how many eagles are left? 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 are left. Okay. All right, we're on number 4. We have some flamingos. Let's see how many we have in all. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 flamingos. 3 of them go away. There's X's. Let's trace the X's. And let's write down 3. They go away, so we're subtracting. 7 minus 3. We're taking 3 away. How many remain? 1, 2, 3, 4 flamingos, remain. So 7 minus 3 is 4. All right, superstars, keep up the good work. Until next time, have a wonderful day. Bye.